This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Miranda Blah. In Meghalaya, 26 COVID-19 positive cases were detected yesterday, taking the total number of active cases to 352. Director of Health Services Dr. Aman War informed that 14 cases were that of the BSF, 5 civilian returnees and 7 others from Ribhoi district. The hard-hit districts are East Khasi Hills with 307 and Ribhoi with 31 active cases so far. The health authorities in Meghalaya are laying emphasis on individual training on COVID and will carry out the exercise with the help of various community COVID management teams. In Manipur, 36 persons were confirmed as new COVID-19 positive cases, while 34 persons were discharged from COVID care centers yesterday. The new COVID-19 positive cases were reported from different districts of Manipur. Except for 5 persons, the remaining positive patients are returnees from other states. The state authority has taken up necessary medical precautionary measures like containment and contact tracing. The cumulative number of positive cases was 1,800 in Manipur yesterday. The numbers of active and recovered cases were 637 and 1,163 respectively. The recovery rate was 64.61% till reports last came in. Nagaland reported 40 new cases of COVID-19 positive yesterday, taking the state's tally to 965. Nagaland Health Minister S. Pyangnu Phom informed that 39 COVID-19 positive cases were reported from Dimapur and 1 from Peren. The minister also informed that 14 COVID-19 patients from Peren have recovered and they will be kept under strict surveillance. With the recovery of 14 COVID-19 patients, the tally of recovered persons in Nagaland stood at 405, while the active cases were at 551 yesterday. 5 more persons, including a woman, tested positive for COVID-19 in Mizoram, taking the state's tally to 272 yesterday. Of the total 272 COVID-19 cases, 112 were active, as 160 people have already recovered from the disease. The 5 persons had returned from Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Nagaland and Tripura, officials said. They have been placed under quarantine since returning to Mizoram and all are asymptomatic. In Assam, rescue and relief measures are on at flood-hit areas, though the situation has slightly improved. Assam Public Health Engineering Minister Rihon Daimari told AIR that drinking water at relief camps and other areas are being supplied. The minister said that despite floods, efforts are being made to ensure implementation of the Jal Jeevan mission. Irrigation Minister Bhabesh Kalita said that flood water damaged standing crops, roads and bridges, among other infrastructure. Mr. Kalita said that Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal was monitoring the relief and rescue measures. Nearly 36 lakh people are affected in 28 districts and 76 persons lost their lives due to current floods in Assam. The Arunachal Pradesh government is giving top priority to construction of roads in the border areas of the state, a senior government official said. All roads to border areas are of strategic importance and the government has attached top priority, for which timelines have been fixed. Commemorating the 185th death anniversary of freedom fighter Uttirot Singh's aim, the first Khasi ruler to rebel against the British Empire, people from different walks of life came to pay homage to the great leader at Madan Yerangheb in Shillong yesterday. The National People's Youth Front also organized the Uttirot Singh's Aim Youth Achievement Award function. Meghalaya Chief Minister and NPP National President Conrad K. Sangma said Uttirot Singh's Aim was one of the greatest freedom fighters of India. The supreme sacrifice made by Uttirot Singh's Aim is something that must be inculcated into the hearts and minds of every youth in the state, he underscored. The Uttirot Singh's Aim Youth Achievement Award was conferred on Kitboklang Nongplang, Skalati Laurinyang, Pranab Paryat, Empower Warba and Andreas H. Marwin. Members of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Khasi Students Union, Federation of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo People and the Northeast Students Organization also paid homage to the freedom fighter. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.